you will be so shocked that you are not selling because you are not using the right tools for your advertisement. No matter what you are selling, what converts more is video. This has been a discussion for the past 4-5 years that still images don't sell like video sell. Video advertisements sell 40% more than still images. Now you have your product, you are selling a shoe, you are selling bags, you have products you are selling that are not professional products, and you cannot run adverts that are AI generated videos for your product. Then there's a problem. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you are going to animate your product so that people will click. They don't have a choice. Even if you put it on your WhatsApp page, people have to click. People don't buy because they have money sometimes. People really buy because they are attracted to the product. People have money in their hands. They want to use for something else. They see the product. They are attracted to it. Since they have the money, they buy. So the way to convert more in this season, in this generation, at this point in time, through AI, is generating advert videos for your product. That is what I'm going to show us today. We are using an app today, and the app is Google Flow. You might have heard of it, and you may not have heard of it. But we are using Google Flow, and it's going to be very easy. No big prompt, no engineering layout, no code, nothing. You will agree with me after this video that you have been missing not using this. Let's get into it. Now, you type Google Flow. I already have it on my system, but you see, it's telling you this is Google Flow. Just click Google Flow, and we're right here. I'm registered, so you can see my picture. I have some other things I've done here. Let's go to new project. A lot of people are using Google Flow professionally, sometimes for explanation videos for their products, their website, their app, to let people know exactly what they are doing. A lot of things are going on. But in this case, I want to bring it down to entrepreneurs that are doing an average business. Is it furniture? Whatever it is that you are doing, this will change everything you have known about your product. You'll see your product, you want to buy from yourself. So let's get into it. Okay, let's get into it. You come to add this plus and you go to upload media. So we are going to pick, I have a lot of things here, but which one should go first? Which one is the lucky one? Let's do this one first. Open. Now, as we are opening it, let's give it the instruction we want. On the bottle, put a beautiful sticker in bright colors, inscription. That's what what it will write on its body. See Miss Crunchies. If you want, you can give it more details. Fonts should be fonts for foods and beverages. I don't know. I just picked that. So I picked it in front of you. I don't even know the image I'll pick. What we are going to do, sometimes it can be in tools. I already believe that you have your own stickers on this thing. If you don't, we can do this and create image first. If you don't, so let's create image first. If you have your stickers on your product, which I expect you have, just keep this side and go to the next one. But if you don't, then you can do this. Let's see what it's going to give us. Now, this creates images too, like ChatGPT, but they have different things they do. This will create the image for us. You'll see it now. It will be very nice, just like ChatGPT. But the difference is, this creates short videos for adverts. That is the difference. I am not sure if you have a design. I'm not sure your design is as good as this. You can't tell me. See what I just created. But because of the prompt I gave it, I said, see Miss Crunchies. Look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. If you don't tell me, I already know this is beautiful. You can't live your life without AI. You are just cheating yourself. Look at this. Now, if you really want to use this, you can give this. In fact, I feel like going into this business right now because of this design. And exactly this is what I'm going to use. You just have to send this to your designer. They print it out and you start using it. So what do we want to do next? Exactly where we are going. We want to animate this for adverts. Now we come here, you take plus. And if you plus, it should show you the images. Now you see, it said, do you want to add it to the prompt? You say yes. Now it's with the prompt. Now you say animate. This must come first, full stop, so that it will know that it has to do a video. Because right here, we have video generation at default. We have all of this, but when you don't tell it, it doesn't do that. So you can do there and set up and do your settings. But right now, write animate number one. You have to be creative here. You can say cameras are snapping it. You can see it's in a shelf and it's bouncing. You can say someone reached out for it on the shelf, pour it in their hands and tasted it and they feel good. You can say the lid flips open and the crunchies inside it is flying around. You can do anything. I don't even know which one to do now. Maybe two kids fighting for the last one on the shelf. I don't know. Or maybe it's just turning and rolling in the hair and it just writes Simmons crunchies. You can do anything. Let's see a simple one we can do. It's on a shelf alone in a supermarket and two hands wants to grab it at the same time. It splits into two bottles and they take one each. Let's see if the time we have will contain this, because sometimes it's just for 5 seconds or 8 seconds. So if you want to do more, you can join it and join it and join it. I'll teach you that one in the next video and I'll do it very soon. Let's see what it's going to give us. Now it's animating it. Now it's asking me that I need to approve that it's going to use 15 credits out of my credits. It is free credits. Google Flow gives you free credits every day to do whatever you want to do. So you have to take advantage of these things. Let me tell you something before I continue. You know, for many years, we're using our emails without payment. They will give us 15 gig. How many message will amount to 15 gig? Later, they introduced photos and Google Drive where you can save a lot of things. And you suddenly found out that 15 gig is not even enough anymore. Now they are billing us. We used it for many years. Those guys are patient. We used it for many years. They were testing those products with our input. Now I pay for my email address on Gmail. The same for this. If you don't take advantage of it now, a time would come when we'll be paying for it. Now they are at the experimental stage. That's why we are using it freely like this. I see what it's producing. I'll tell it, approve, do not ask again, because I don't want you to ask me. The reason why he's asking is he wants you to know that there's a limited amount of video you can create per day. If it is images, it's almost unlimited. So I approve. So let's see. Now it's creating the video. Once it's giving you this play button, you know it's a video it's creating. So let's wait and see what it's going to create for us. I think we have it. Okay, we have it now. Let's scroll up and see. I really wish we would have something interesting. Okay, here we have. So let's see what happens. Okay, the animal, I want to buy it first. Okay, it's for me, it's for you. Okay, it's splitting into two. Can you see? Can you beat this? It's what I remember. No, it's for me. I got it first. Okay, can we share it? No, don't share me. I'll cut into two for you. I'll separate myself into two. I'll turn into two for you. No, I will double myself for you. And there's no fight. Who will see this on your display picture and not want to buy? Let me do one more. So you already have the image. You upload the media. And which one? Okay, let's use this. Oh, now it's loading. While it's loading, let's write our prompt. Our prompt is do a animate first. Animate. Animate. Do a 360 degree shot of the products with camera flashes and a little smoke. Make it very attractive for adverts. So we need to add what we want to use, and this is it. Say add to prompt. Now it's with the prompt. It knows it's animating it. Let's see what we have here. I'm always, anytime I'm doing this, I'm always expectant too, because when you create new things, it's exciting. Apart from the fact that you are making money from it, even it helps your psyche, it helps your psychology. You see that you are creating new things. To create new things is a beautiful thing that elevates your spirit. Okay, it's ready. Let's check it out. I'm excited like you are, because I always want to see something new. But sometimes it's not the way we want it to be. Then if it is not that way, then you do it all over again. Let's see what we have here. Whoa. This is crazy. What? Now, this is so good. It did 10 seconds. So that means you already have like 7 or 8 seconds for your advert, which is not bad. This is the last one I want to do, is that orange container, but I don't want to take too much time. Upload image. Okay, we have the bottle loaded already. Let's add it to the prompt. Add to prompt. Let's still use Simi. Use same design as Simi's crunches inscription. Now this one inscription will be Simi's orange fantasia. Simi orange fantasia. So we are going to do that one first, because that's an image. Create image. Okay, so we'll do that one first. But if you already have something on your product, you don't have to do that. But at least let's do that so that all of us can learn from it. Okay, guys, we have our Simi's orange fantasia. Hey, nobody will tell me not to do this product. I would have to do it. It might not be now, but I'll do it. I'll register Simi. Don't try me. I'll go and register Simi right now. And if you do it, I'll pick another one that will be better than this. So I'm just kidding. Let's look at this now, because we want to animate it. Let's go to add to prompt. We say animate first. That's our major prompt. After animate, then we tell it pop the lead. Say pop the lead. The orange juice flows out of the bottle and wraps around the bottle. This is a product advert. Be creative. Let's wait for it and see exactly what it's going to give us. Here we have it. It's done already. Let's check it. Wow. Oh, what? Now, there are some apps that are created to do these things that you are paying for, that some people are paying for, because I've seen an app like this before. But what can you compare with this? Let's look at it here. It pops open. Then the thing comes out, wraps around it, and brought many fruits. See, this is beyond imagination. This is really good. This is really, really good. Now I've done 3 examples. I've made 3 examples for you. You can't tell me. I'm intentional not to bring in prompt. That this is the prompt you use. I have prompt. I have at least the prompt I give to professionals in my videos. You see my videos, they are for professionals. I stack prompt that just use it this way. But this, I want you to know that you can do it no matter your age. Even if you are 60 years, you have a product, 70 years, you have a product. Are you telling me a 13, 15-year-old cannot do what I just did? They can. The only problem is they're ignorant. They don't know these things can happen. Now that you know, go and build something. Don't wait for anybody. AI is for everyone. Take your product today and build something. In the comment section, I want to know what products you have and what you want to do with it. And if you can attach pictures. Let's see what you have done. So we'll meet on the next one. Thank you.